don't need bones. Bones are for dogs, not fish. Let's make some of Dorothy's
vegetables. So, a carrot with green stuff on top, and a potato with eyes, and a celery stick with some lines, vegetables. There. Well, we have our last clue. Do you know what this means? We're ready for our turn the page. Thinking Sarah. Let's go. Okay. Now that we're in our thinking chair, let's think. Okay. We really need to figure out what I need to feel better. Our clues are a spoon, a ball, and vegetables. So what could Blue Papa think I need to feel better with a spoon, a bowl, and vegetables? Do you think maybe Blue wants me to do the vegetable dance with a spoon and a bowl? Nah. No. Really? Tough. What could make me feel better with a spoon, a bowl, and vegetables? Well, you can eat out of the bowl and with the spoon, and add the vegetables and make vegetable soup. Vegetable soup. That's it. Blue thinks I need Mr. Salt and Mrs. Pepper's famous vegetable soup to feel better. We just figured out Blue's clue. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Oh, thank you, Mr. Salt and Mrs. Pepper, for making my vegetable soup.